Hello students, welcome to the channel. Today we will learn about square and square roots. Let's take a look at what is square. So when a number is multiplied by itself, it gives the square of that number. So if you look at this example, when 4 is multiplied by 4, it gives 16. So we can say 16 is square of 4. And the formula when we use, it says n into n, and the way we represent is n square. So when the power is 2, it is a square of that number. So just take a look at few other examples. The square of 1, if the number is 1, if you have to find square of 1, 1 is to power 2. It means 1 is multiplied by 1, so 1 into 1 is 1. Similarly, if you want to find square of 2, 2 is to the power 2, so 2 is multiplied by 2, so 2 into 2, 4. Similarly, square of 3 is 3 into 3, 9. Square of 4 is 4 into 4, 16. Square of 5 is 5 into 5, 25. So this is how the square we can find. Now let's take a look at few other facts here. The square of any natural number is called the perfect square. So all the natural numbers which starts from 1 and goes all the way to infinity, if you make a square of that number, that the answer which we get, that is called the perfect square. So in this case, 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81 and 100 is a perfect square. But any number between 1 and 3, like 2 and 3 is not the perfect square. Any number between 4 and 9 is not the perfect square. Now, if you look at this pattern, you can also observe the perfect square ends with either 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 or 9. So either 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 and 9. And if any number is ending with 2, 3, 7 or 8, that cannot be a perfect square. Okay, so this is all about the square. Now let's take a look at the square root. Square root is opposite of square. What it means is when we multiply the same number with itself, we get a square. So, but if you want to find the square root, it's totally opposite of that. And the square root can be represented with the sign of the square root sign. So in this example, if you see, the square root of 1 is represented like this, square root of 4 is represented like this, square root of 9 is represented like this. So this is how we represent the square root. If you have to find the square root, what we need to see is we need to find, let's take example of 9. So 9 is a square of 3. So 3 is multiplied by 3, then we get 9. So in this case, the answer of square root of 9 is 3. And if you see here, we mentioned plus minus 3. What it means is if you multiply 3 into 3, you get 9. But if you multiply minus 3 with minus 3, that time also you get 9. So what it means is the square root of any number is a plus minus sign, because if minus sign is multiplied twice, that becomes plus. So square root of 1 is plus minus 1, square root of 4 is plus minus 2, square root of 9 is plus minus 3. And this is how we can represent under the square root sign. Okay, this is how the square root is defined. Now let's take a look at few other interesting points here. Now let's take a look at this interesting fact here. So square of 1 is 1, square of 2 is 4, square of 3 is 9. But if you look at this last column of the table, the square of 1 is first odd number, the square of 2 is sum of first two odd number, the square of 3 is first three odd number, the square of 4 is first four odd number. So this is how the square has a very good relationship with the odd number sum, and it also derives the formula of sum of first n odd numbers is n square. So using this formula, if we have to find sum of 20 first 20 odd numbers, in that case the answer will be square of 20, and which is 20 into 20, which is 400. So square of first 20 odd numbers is sum of first 20 odd numbers is square of 20, which is 400. So this is how we have a relationship of odd numbers and the square. Thank you.